So the first thing that we do as a company is we help companies produce a nice strong quote. So no matter how complex or custom the job that you're quoting, MIE Trak Pro has tools to help the estimators create a nice, consistent, accurate, and quick quote. So to give you an example of our quote, we have our operations or bill of material. Nice, quick, easy, and efficient quote. Eventually, once we have a work order, we can track the status of each sequence as well as our bill of material, where they are, what location, when they're due, and even better, we can see our costing information as we're producing our parts. The best part about MIE Solutions ERP package is having a dashboard that can fit the information of all our modules into one central place. This production overview dashboard will give management, team leads, knowledge of how they're doing on jobs, and gives them the ability to make informed decisions as they're planning ahead. The last thing I want to show you is the connectivity between module to module. If we look at our work order module, if we click on this part number here, MIE Trak will take us directly to our item master, where we can view history. We can see our inventory levels as well as our status, transactions, which of course can also be monitored, and our dashboard. So that's our introduction to MIE Trak Pro. We hope to hear from you soon.